I'm bored.
Me too.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do? Wow, Lala. I didn't know you can speak bird.
Yeah, I do that all the time. Listen.
Whoa. Did you guys wanted me for something?
No. I'm sorry. I was just speaking bird, that's all.
Seriously? So, I just came out all the way out here for nothing?
Sorry.
I don't fly, you know. I take a car like everyone else, or a subway. Ugh, complete waste of my time.
Okay, maybe we shouldn't do bird whistling.
Yeah. Huh?
Hey, what's that noise?
I don't know. It looks like it's coming from... Woodpecker. Woody, for the last time, would you leave my chair alone?
Uh-oh, it's old man Bert.
But I'm hungry, and I like to eat wood. Well, then go eat someone else's wood, but just leave mine alone. Why didn't you just say so? I'll see you later. Look at it. My beautiful chair has just gone ruined, thanks to Woody Woodpecker.